Hello everyone, my name is Sam and welcome to the first episode of the Gimp tutorial. Today we're going to be installing Gimp, so just load up your favorite search engine, type in something like Gimp download, and it should take you right here to the Gimp downloads page, first option. So it should be able to detect your operating system and just allow you to download. I'm on Windows, but Mac, Linux should be fine. You can download if you have a torrent opener. That'll be fine, or you can just download directly, and you can just wait for this to install. Shouldn't take too long if you have a decent computer. Once it's ready, just tap that and allow it to run. And then this window should pop up here. You can customize some settings, but that's not necessary. The defaults are fine. And it's just going to take a few minutes to extract, so I guess that gives me some time to talk about Gimp. It's a free photo editing software. It's basically a huge step up from Microsoft Paint, but you don't have to shell out hundreds of dollars like you would for Photoshop or any type of Adobe product. So it really is the go-to for anyone who just wants a little more versatility than Paint will offer, but actually a lot more versatility, and still wants a free product. So this is great. I've been using it for a long time, probably like 6 or 7 years now. I mean, I haven't really needed to move on to anything more advanced or more expensive than free because, well, I'm not an artist, but for any projects I've had for school or YouTube, this has been plenty enough to get by. So I'm pretty excited to share this with people so that more people know about it and know how to use it, because it can be a little intimidating at first, but just with a little guidance and practice, you can make some awesome stuff. So once that finishes installing, we can just click finish, and it should be all done. Go to your downloads or wherever that is. Go to your applications searcher and just type in Gimp. If you're on Windows, you can do what I'm doing now. Open file location. It's going to take you to the shortcut, and you can paste a shortcut right on the home screen there, and open it up. And that's all there is to it. First time it runs, it might be a little bit slower. Some of the settings are getting created there, but that's all there is. And you should be getting these 3 windows here: the layers toolbox and the main screen there. So in the next episode, we will be learning a little bit more about how Gimp works. Hope to see you guys there.